Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can enter invitation code in Bigo Live. So to do that, open our Bigo Live application and the user face will appear like this. Now go ahead and tap on me, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that earn money. So here are some ways that you can make money through Bigo Live. Now what you can do is tap on that question mark which is appear on the top right corner. Now here you can see about inviting new users. Now here you can also see new user detection. So here what you have to do is the person who have invited you to the Bigo Live, you have to enter the code that person has given to you. So if you have that code, you just have to enter that code and submit it. Doing so will successfully help you enter invitation code in Bigo Live. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.